With FormMaker, you can specify a start date and time for when you want to start taking responses on your form, and a stop date and time for when you want to stop taking responses on your form. To do that, you need to be on the creation sheet for the form and come up to the settings rows at the top and just scroll across to the right until you get to columns T to W. So in column U, you specify the date and time when you want to start accepting responses, and in column W, you can specify a time and date when you want to stop accepting responses. And for both of them, if you hover over the cell, it will pop up with a note to just remind you what this is doing, and to say that you must, if you're going to do this, you've got to set the form to update hourly. It's also a good idea to have a custom closed message. So if before it starts, you might want to say when it will be starting, whatever you want to say there, really. But the important thing is, in this cell here, you have to change that to yes to update every hour. And once you've changed that setting, just click on update to update it once, and then the settings will be set. That's it.